In this video, I will explain how you can add the bullet points in Google Sheets. So you can see here I have added this list with the bullet points. So how you can do that? So there is no way to insert this dot or special character in the Google Sheet. But what you can do is that you can search for the bullet character on the Google and then or any character that you want to copy and just copy it like this. Then go to the sheet and then paste it. Okay. And then you can create a list. Okay, list, say list item 1, then press alt enter, then again paste that character, say list item 2, then again you can press alt enter, then again paste it and list 3. So that way you can create the bullet list. And you can also copy paste. For example, I want to create similar list somewhere here, so just copy paste it and then you can rename this list items. That's it. It is such a simple thing. So all you have to do is that get that character, copy that character from somewhere. Let us say you want to add a star character. So just search for that, and then let us say I want this one. Copy this and then paste it over here. That's it. Here you can add anything, and then go to the next line and type any other item. That's it. That way you can create the bullet list in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.